Hi, I'm Becky,
And I'm Lily.
and for our final project, we chose to create an updated microwave system. Our solution is a microwave that correctly models the microwaves currently in our homes, but with updated features, like easily changeable brightness modes.
In our microwave system, the user can choose how long they want the microwave to run and how bright they want the inside of the microwave to be while it's running. And once the user chooses both of those, then the plate inside the microwave will automatically start spinning and the light will automatically turn on. And the display over here will change from displaying the time to displaying a message saying that the system is running.
When the timer is finished, a buzz will sound to notify the user that the time is up and the light inside the microwave will turn off. Then the display right here will change back to displaying the current time, alerting the user that the microwave is ready to be used again.
And if the microwave is in a dark room, then the light sensor placed here will notice and turn on a light inside the display so the user can continue to read the values displayed.
So this is a hardware overview of our microwave system. First, we have this display right here, which is connected to our mini computer, which is hidden in this microwave system. So this display knows the current time that it is, and it will display the current time until the microwave starts running. Then the time will turn off and it will display a little message just letting the user know that the microwave is running. Next, we have this keypad, which allows the user to press specific buttons, which will let the system know how long the microwave is supposed to be run for. For example, we have the 1 button is for 10 seconds, the 2 button is for 20 seconds, the 3 button is for 30 seconds, and the 4 button is for a minute. And then we have the ABC buttons on the side, which let the microwave system know how bright you want the light to be inside the microwave. A is for like a low brightness, B is for a medium brightness, and C is for a high brightness. Next, behind these little slits in our microwave, we have a buzzer, which will sound when the time is up on the microwave. And finally, we have our little our light sensor up here, which will turn on the light in this display if it's dark in the room so the user can see the values that are being put on this display.
Now going into the microwave, we have a motor under here that spins this plate, and we have a light here that changes brightness value depending on what the user inputs from these buttons. And turning the system around, we have our mini computer back here where it tells all of the parts of the system what to do.
As you can see, our microwave system is set up. We have our laptop connected to our mini computer and the instructions have all been set, so our system is up and ready to go. So for the user to use the microwave, they first need to press one of our 4 time buttons, either 1 for 10 seconds, 2 for 20 seconds, 3 for 30 seconds, or 4 for a minute. And then once they have pressed that time button, the time they have selected will show up on their display. Once that is done, then they need to select a wattage button, A, B, or C, for low, medium, or high brightness. And then the motor and the LED will start and go for the same amount of time that the microwave is running for. A running message will show on the display. And then once all of that is done, a timer will go off, or like a buzzer behind here, will go off saying that the system is complete. The motor and the LED will turn off and the display will go back to showing the date and the time. So for example, if I wanted to heat something up for 10 seconds with a low brightness, I would select 1. I would see that 10 seconds has shown up on the display, and then I would press A for low brightness. And as you can see, the motor is going, the light is on, and the system or the display is showing that the system is running. Now if we wait a couple seconds, there it goes, the buzzer goes off, the date and time is back to being displayed, and the microwave is ready for another use.
To go more into detail of our system, we'll first show the different brightness levels of the light. So to demonstrate, we'll just use 10 seconds for all 3 light levels. So to start for 10 seconds, and then when we press A, so this will be the lowest brightness level of the light inside the microwave. Now to demonstrate the medium brightness by pressing B. And now to demonstrate the highest brightness by pressing C. So as you can see, all those brightnesses were different, and now we're going to go into the timing of it, which we're going to use a stopwatch. So you can see that these are actually 10 seconds and 20 seconds, and for brevity, we'll only show 10 seconds and 20 seconds. So for 10 seconds, 1. And now for 20 seconds, we'll hit the number 2 button. And as you can see, it's displayed on the screen. And we'll start the timer. Now to demonstrate the light sensor. Since it's well lit in the room, the display doesn't need to be lit up, but to signify darkness, I'm going to cover this with my finger, and as you can see, the display turns on. And just to show you again, once it's well lit, the display will turn off, and then once it's dark out, the display will turn on again.